capabilities and use cases. So here we go. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Maha Hosni Awad. I'm a master's degree holder in aviation English. I'm pursuing a doctorate in the field of pragmatics and the Holy Quranic narratives. I'm a certified mentor from the Relo Office US Embassy, a crew resource management trainer from Global Air UK, and a professional certified trainer from the American University in Cairo. So welcome aboard, and here we go. So today our table of contents will be introduction, and we will demonstrate together the 13 features of Qwen AI. First of all, as a web developer, deep research, artifacts, image generation, video generation, code, making a plan, news, analyzing image, summarizing a text, and getting advice. Moreover, helping me to write and brainstorming. So as an introduction, Qwen is a state-of-the-art large language model developed by Alibaba Cloud, designed to revolutionize the way we interact with artificial intelligence. Built on cutting-edge deep learning techniques, Qwen excels in understanding and generation human-like text across a wide range of topics. So as we've mentioned, it's a series of a large language models or LLMS developed by Alibaba Cloud. Also, these models are designed to understand and analyze natural language, enabling them to perform a wide variety of tasks from text generation and translation to more complex functions like code interpretation and image generation. So Qwen supports multiple modalities like text, code, and images. Also, we have a multilingual support here. It supported the supported languages in Qwen are Chinese, English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Arabic, Japanese, Korean, Vietnamese, Thai, Indonesian, and many more. So now we are going to deal with Qwen as a web developer. Okay, so um, now we are going to talk about Qwen as a web developer. So we can take you through this powerful web development feature in Qwen. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, Qwen Web Developer Tool helps streamline your workflow by generating clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code in real time, all, of course, powered by artificial intelligence. So if we follow up and ask Qwen to create a clean, modern website for a pet grooming service, for instance. The site should include a homepage with a hero image featuring happy pets and about us section, a list of grooming services with pricing, customer testimonials, and a booking form. Use bright, friendly colors like blue and yellow. The target audience is pet owners aged 25 to 45. So this is our prompt to Qwen to create a web page for a pet grooming service website. So let's go through the pages of Qwen to see what's up. So here's, after giving the prompt, Qwen starts to creating all the needed HTML and all the needed equations. And here we go. Here is the website created. Okay, as you can see on the right hand side of the screen. So as a deep research, let's see Quinn, what can we do with Quinn in deep research? If we ask Quinn, we give him a prompt, what are my top competitors in the domain of fashion doing on their website that I should consider? So I'm asking Quinn for an advice as a deep research. I'm in the domain of fashion, and I need to know what are my top competitors in the domain doing on their website. So here is the advice is given by Quen, giving me the top competitors and then giving me all the needed advices to enhance my website. Okay, here is social media integration, e-commerce optimization, customer trust builders, loyalty and retention, and so on and so forth. So here we have the whole uh, um, uh, a summary of the strategies used in fashion websites: a user experience, product presentation, personalization, SEO and content marketing. And as we've mentioned, social media integration, e-commerce optimization, customer trust builders, loyalty and retention too. Okay, so let's see another feature of Quen, which is artifact. Okay, so artifact is a bit complex thing that not all the artificial intelligence tool can create for us, but let's see what uh, can we have with Quen. Here I'm asking Quen how many are in the strawberry. So this is a very tricky question. Maybe we can make cue cards for our children. So I'm asking him to present how many are in strawberry and to make a cute card for me. So here we go. Here he counted that we have 3 R's in strawberry, and here is the presented card to be used in class with our kids. Okay. So as for image generation, and here we have a new prompt by Quen. Okay, let's see it together. So I'm asking Quen to generate an image of a male astronaut landing on Mars for the first time, holding a sign saying "Men from Mars." Okay, so this is my prompt to generate an image of a male astronaut landing on Mars for the first time and holding the sign saying "Men from Mars," and of course, women from Venus. So here we go, and this is the result of our prompt. Here's the astronaut, here is Mars, and here is the sign saying "Men from Mars." Okay, as for video generation, okay, my prompt is create a video for a panda riding on a bicycle in a park during sunset. Okay, so let's see together. So here we can see the video of the panda riding a bicycle during sunset in a park. So what do you think, guys? So here we come to the feature number 6, which is coding. Okay, so if we ask when to write a Python function to calculate fractional, write a Python function to calculate factorial, I mean, factorial. Okay, so let's see. Here we go. As long as you write very accurate prompt, you will have a very accurate result. Okay, so again, with Quen features, Quen can help me making a plan. So if I ask Quen, I want to go to Hong Kong for a week, can you help me plan the itinerary departing from Beijing? So Quen will make for me the plan for my journey um, to Hong Kong day by day. So we have the day arrival in Hong Kong, day two, city highlights, and so on and so forth. So here we go with another feature. As for the news, if I'm asking Quinn about the latest news, tell me the latest news about Iran and Israel, for instance. So here we go. The latest news regarding the conflict between Israel and Iran indicates highlighting tensions. Iran has demanded accountability for both Israel and the United States following blah, blah, blah. And here we go with the latest news. Okay. Again, if we ask Quinn to analyze an image, okay, I've chosen the Gioconda or the Mona Lisa, and I asked Quinn to analyze the image of the Mona Lisa or the Gioconda. And here we go. The Mona Lisa, known as Gioconda, the artist is Leonardo da Vinci, dated so and so, the medium oil on paper with the wood panel, the dimensions, the location, the Louvre in Paris, and so on and so forth. So here is a complete analysis of the picture. Okay, how about summarizing a text? So I've chosen a very, very long text, which is Homer's Odyssey, and I asked Quinn to summarize it in just 300 words. And here we go. Here we go. Okay, so this is a background about the Odyssey, and here is the 300 words in summary. The Odyssey is a timeless tale of adventure, survival, and the quest for home, and so on and so forth. And here you will have your 300 words. Again, asking Quinn for an advice. Okay, so our advisor, Quinn, how to improve my lifestyle. Here we go. He's telling me to eat well, to exercise regularly, to sleep better, and you will have a very, very long list of advices. Here is just the physical health advice, and you will have more elaboration on that. Okay. If I ask Quen to help me write, I'll ask him to generate 3 LinkedIn story-based posts about challenges facing the aviation industry during wartime. And here is the result. When skies close, the human cost of war on aviation. And here we have all what we need. Post one is when skies close, and post two, navigating conflict zones, and so on and so forth. So the last and not the least, but not the least feature of When is brainstorming. And here we go. What are some unique selling points for a new type of eco-friendly water bottles, for instance? This is my prompt Quinn, and there we have the results. Many consideration you